In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment to a bill in accounting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each field means, and how to record both full and partial payments so your payables stay accurate and up to date. First, make sure you're signed in and that the bill you want to pay already exists in your account. From the main menu, head to Purchases, then click Bills. This opens your bills list, where you can see all unpaid, partially paid, and paid bills. If you have a lot of records, use the search bar or filters to narrow down by vendor, status, or date, so you're focusing on the correct bill. Find the bill you want to pay and click it to open its detail page. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right record by checking the vendor, the due date, and the total amount. Reviewing the details now helps prevent applying a payment to the wrong bill, which can affect your reports. On the bill details screen, look for the Make Payment button. It's typically near the top of the page. Click it to reveal the available actions, then choose Add Payment. This opens a pop-up window where you'll enter the payment information. If you don't see the option, verify that the bill isn't already fully paid and that you have the appropriate permissions. In the payment window, start with the date. Use the actual date the money left your account. This is important for your cash flow and for keeping your financial reports accurate for the period. Next, enter the amount. If you're paying the entire bill, match the outstanding balance. If you're making a partial payment, enter an amount less than the total. Accounting will mark the bill as partially paid and track the remaining balance for you. For payment method, choose how you paid, such as cash or bank transfer, so you have a clear audit trail. Then select the account the funds came from, like your cash on hand or a specific bank account. Picking the correct account ensures your balances reflect reality and makes reconciliation easier later. Before saving, glance over your entries for typos or currency mismatches, especially if you work with multiple currencies. When everything looks good, click Save. Accounting records the payment, updates the bill's status to paid or partially paid, and adjusts the outstanding amount immediately. If you spot an error after saving, you can return to the bill to review the payment and make corrections as allowed by your user role. That's it. To handle another partial payment in the future, repeat the same steps, and the balance will continue to update. Thanks for watching, and keep your bills current to maintain clear, reliable books.